Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about the Botim app's premium feature. Now Botim app, known as Botim VIP, primarily offers an ad-free experience and enhances a call quality for a seamless user journey. The app has also evolved into a super app, integrating a wide range of financial and AI powered features for all users. So with Botim Premium VIP feature, you get an ad-free experiences, enhanced call quality. Now these features require a recurring subscription, typically available as monthly or annual, auto-renewal plans with pricing varying by the region and local currency, and for the general Botim app feature, beyond the VIP benefit, Botim has updated to Super app within an array of features which are available to all the users as well. It has a communication feature like HD voice and video quality, smart chat interface, group communication, cross-platform access, and end-to-end encryptions as well. So likewise, you could just go to the Botim VIP at the top of the page or top left and access the features available here as well. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.